Guys, welcome back to K20 Garage. Today, what I'm going to tell you what I'm doing today. Before I say anything else, please hit like, hit share, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, merch is in the web, and let's talk about CRX. So you know, I've been working on the hatch for the past couple videos. I took a break on that car. I haven't worked on the hatch in a minute. So I wanted to fix a couple things that was wrong with the hatch. I mean with the CRX. One of them is this fella right here. Last time I drove it to work, this is rubber, crack on the heat. Almost overheated the car. Starter went out on me. I bought a starter from Ray. This is a K20 starter, K24 starter. You can see the difference. They will work. Believe me, they will work. Just you have to stand up your wire harness, your higher positive to here, and your. But they will work. Both work on the K. So I got another one from Macho. He's a good friend of mine here locally. I got one here. Another one. OEM. I'm been cleaning up my mess of wires little by little, and but it really gets me upset. It's nothing that you guys done. I was recording the whole process on this from beginning to end. Me removing the manifold, me doing a bunch of other stuff to this car, and my video camera, not the camera, but the chip went wire on me, and I lost all that footage. So I owe you guys that footage if I ever get it back. But as you can see, intake is gone. I do have a plug that I'm gonna have to take that out, or the water's gotta come out. I have a plug for that, so that doesn't happen again. I put a thermostat. I don't know how you call that. This is supposed to keep more the heat away from the intake. We did that last time. You saw the video. I did clean up a little bit. I am going to look today, call around, see if I can find a wire from here all the way to the back to a new wire on it. And then after that, I gotta plug in. I want to clean this up before I do that, but I'm gonna plug that back in. And the other surprise that I have for you guys is this intake. Look how it came out. I put the K20 logo on it. This is what gets me mad. I painted it on video from the beginning to the back, to the bottom and end. Came out pretty good. A little run over here, but nobody's gonna see that. Came out pretty awesome. And yeah, see, this is what I use. But man, nobody's gonna see how I did it. That's what gave me upset. Let me see what else. I just have here everything set up. I got longer bolts for the intake, and I got these little things right here. If you ever use one of these, it's for basically I replaced the PCV valve. Instead of just having a hose coming out of there, it's gonna look like that. A little red. I didn't have it on black, but it's gonna look almost with everything that I have going on here in the car. So with that said, I'm gonna start cleaning up. I'm gonna start making a couple phone calls and find out where can I find that ground wire all the way to the back of the car. I have enough of the positive to what they call the signal wire. I think I have enough here. The 12 gauge wire. I have enough of that here. I just want to run a new one. The back, the old ones. I gotta get the old ones, see how they come out. I want to put the battery where it belongs. I want to make it nice and neat for car shows. So, and since I'm already asked everything here, I want to, chain this up a little bit. I already chained that up. I want to go through the whole thing and make it nice and pretty. I got to touch a couple things. I've been connecting the CRX for a while. Today I'm gonna get it back running. We'll start work. Everything works. So today I get it back running. on the hatch, we need to get coolant and all the few other things there, here and there. And yeah, bro, we're gonna be working on that very soon. And I got the other hatch I gotta pull out from the back, bring it up front too. And that one's for all the motors I got back there that I have to dig out. But yeah, I love how this came out. Hopefully you guys like it. I'm gonna call around, see where I can get that part from, and then we go from there. Alright guys, so I clean up a little bit. Parts that I said I was gonna clean up. You see they're nice and shiny. And I got some parts I am replacing my starter. I'm gonna start with that today. On the other side of the wire, all the way to the back. I gotta make room here. You can see clusterfuck, and then pull all the way to the back, and then make it nice and tight on the front. And after that, I can proceed with my second thing of the day. Will be draining, replacing this, draining the water, the coolant, replacing that. Last thing I'm doing is putting this on the vehicle, and that's gonna look amazing. So hopefully I hit a car show after this, right, with some prices. So stay tuned. I was going to use one of these, but it's too small. So I got one of these here. I'll put some Typhoon tape around it. Man, oh man. Alright guys, I was going to replace that with this, and it's too big. So I gotta put in one of these. I'm putting Typhoon, whatever you call this tape, I'll put it around it. So hopefully it doesn't leak. Alright guys, so everything's back together on the CRX. As you can see, it looks good. Let me turn the camera. There you can see this. There we go. There she is right there. You got yin garage. Replay a couple of the bolts here. Intake manifold too. It's a lot cleaner. Hopefully it doesn't leak. And I'm running the wire to the back of the CRX. As you can see, I have everything apart. I'm gonna vacuum that, and I'm gonna make extra holes. Before I had them running top of the carpet. Now I want them to come out underneath the carpet, right here and right here, and then boom, towards the batteries a little like cleaner. So for that, this is what I did on it. For that, I gotta spray it, tie it down, and I'm gonna secure this right here. This is what I use for just for to keep the wood in place. And these are gonna go here and here and there, just for noise. So that's what I'm doing. Stay tuned. Let me see if I have some glue adhesive laying around, and we'll go from there. Woo, it's hot. I jump the starter like I did in the past. Car starts and runs for like 10 minutes. I mean, not even run for 10 minutes, like a misfire. Put the laptop on it, I got no codes. So, I don't know if I fucked up something pulling the wires through. That can be a lot. Now I gotta go through the whole system to look at underneath there. What the fuck is going on? You hit it, and the car starts for like 2 minutes, like it's running in 2 cylinders, and it died back on you. I mean, I gotta go through all my wires back there. Another day, another $1. I'm going for the day. Since this morning, working on this car. I got rain coming, but I don't like to leave anything in the bad note. I want to show you guys something. Hey guys, before I say goodbye, I want to show you something. This is something that I've been doing for a while, and I don't show you guys that much. This is like my trophy room. I used to work carpet up before, catching garage style carpet, and I used to own an Integra. If you know me, I used to have a JDM Integra that I built, and well, let me show you. This is like my little office here. This is my guest room in my house, and I use it to edit my videos and stuff like that. So, when my daughter comes to, our boyfriend is still here all of a sudden. And yes, I'm a big fan of Star Wars, so I see a lot of Star Wars figures, but these right here, the first ones, they go way down here. I've been doing this for a while. 2001, I had a decent Altima. I used to work for Honda. I collect Hot Wheels. And the reason why 2 people got me into this, name was Excel, and he got me into this Excel. Bro, thank you. Still got the first one you gave me, and the other one was my boy Ray in Ocala. So I want to show you guys something. This is my son gave it to me because I had a black Integra. All these trophies that you see here, to the second one, to these 2 shells, are from my type car that I built. All of them. You see right there. And all these trophies right here. By the way, that's the car right there. And this is how the car used to look like. With Damien, Chris, first car from I want this to show you this import, place, you know, second place. These are the keys. So still got the keys from my car, so you know my car got totaled, which is nice. 2014, that boy. 2014, wow, what time? I think this one back here is Tiger Kingdom, I believe. CRX one. I know I don't have all of them, but CRX gonna get just like the Integra. But guess what? I went well, all these cars. So this S2000. I mean, Integra. I won so many trophies, right? One trophy I never won with that car, and that was this one right here. This one is Best Engine Bay, and that's for the CRX Best Engine Bay. Import face off. I won that. I work for excellent. All right, Kingdom. So a lot of car shows right here. Best 20. I won this one is Home Sport. Micro participation. This one I have my club. That one. This one is for the CRX. I owned the CRX for a while. And this one was a Nopi National 2004. I had that same CRX with Lamborghini doors at that trophy. And this right here is very special to me. Reason why, I have a friend of mine who passed away. He took that picture and he did all that. And he did it for the club and he sent it to me and I fell in love with that picture. His name was Joel. He was a YouTuber friend of mine. He started coming over. He became a follower. He became a good friend of mine. And he passed away. Rest in peace. You see a lot of my old videos. Big guy making all those fun behind me. That's my boy right there. Here you see me. That's Hudak. That was in Orlando. That was the takeover in Orlando. That's Hudak, Damien, me, and Big Eddie. That walking down there. Now this is my area. But I do everything. I just want to guys show you, my trophy room. I haven't taken the CRX for a minute in the show.